Alright, welcome back. You're watching Investor's Guide. It's time to solve all of your financial problems. Our first email comes in from Subhashini, who writes in saying she owns a home in Bangalore with her husband and she wants to buy another one in Chennai for an investment. Now she tells us she doesn't have any loan liability on her current home and she's not claiming anything in tax as well. She wants to know, is it a good option to buy that home right now and will she still get a tax benefit after the direct tax code comes into play? Well, we have Harsh Lumta who's standing by to answer your question. Harsh.
So I think you've asked two questions. Is investing in a residential house a good investment? And the second one is about tax benefits continuing after the direct tax code comes into place. So let me answer the first one first. So investment in a residential property is normally considered good, but if you want a rule of the thumb, I think investment in a long-term investment, a minimum period of investment when you are investing in property should at least be 5 years, because the transaction cost of property is so high. As long as it is more than that, it is typically a good investment. Let's take the questions on the tax treatment. As far as income from house property is concerned, there is not a huge change from what was existing earlier to what is now. And what it means is that when you have two properties, even in the current code and even as per the DTC, there is no restriction on the deduction that you can get for interest on a loan taken to acquire those properties. If you have 100 properties, you can get that deduction on 100 properties. If you have two properties, then on one of them, the notional value of the rent will be treated as your income. You can decide on which of the two properties you will decide to treat them as self-occupied, where no rental income will be taken. But on one of the properties, you will have to take the notional rental income into account, though you will get deduction for the interest payable if you have taken a loan to acquire that particular property.